What's going on YouTube? It is Sam's Diecast Showroom here. Today we have some brand new 2023 Hot Wheels. These are from Case A for 2023, and these are some of the hottest models from that case. First car we're going to be opening up is the Subaru WRX STI from Hot Wheels J Imports. Let's get this open. Nice brand new color on this in blue. This is the first 2023 Hot Wheels I've ever opened up, and here we go. This is a nice dark blue color with white 10-spoke wheels. Such a nice looking model. Brand new model for 2023, or not a brand new model, brand new color of this model. And this color has been out, this model has been out since 2011 around, and they retooled it in 2021. Take a nice look at that. There's the back. Nice hot hatch, beautiful white and blue decals. Then we have the front end there with the painted headlights, and then there's the hood scoop, and then we have the Subaru logo on that. That is super cool. Loving the wheels and the decals on this. Then we have a blue interior on this one and a black plastic base. Super nice new color of the Subaru WRX STI. Coming up next, we have a beautiful recolor of the LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15 from Hot Wheels Modified. This is a Liberty Walk design. Let's get this open. This one is probably really hot and everyone's probably all over this, but I got all these 2023 A-Case cars from my local grocery store. I was the first one there at the shipper, and look at this gloss black. This has so much weight to it. This is becoming one of my new favorite castings. Check this out. Nice Liberty Walk decal. Gold and black on this one. This is such a beautiful model. This is such a nice model. Loving it a lot. This is really phenomenal. And Phil Reelman 5-spoke wheels with the gold lip around that. The gold, like champagne color interior. Then a gray plastic base. I have all three colors of this car so far, and there's going to be a Target red exclusive that's going to come out, so can't wait to see that, and hopefully I can find it. A brand new recolor of the 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth in red from Hot Wheels the 80s series. Let's get this brand new color out of the packaging for 2023. New color of this Ford Sierra Cosworth, and this is the third color that's released, and I have all of them so far. So very cool, nice decals, very cool ride. And look at that, number 87 on there, Castrol, Hot Wheels graphics. There's the front end there, gold lace wheels, and take a nice look at that. Red, white, and black, kind of a theme on this. Gold wheels, very cool model. I am liking this one a lot. Brand new 2023 Hot Wheels from Case A. And look at that spoiler there. Nice Ford Sierra Cosworth. Next up, we have the treasure hunt for the case, the Raijin Express from the Hot Wheels Hauler series. Super cool, and you can see that has the treasure hunt logo. And I got 3 of these from that case. I gave one to my friend over at Timmy's 10 Again Toys. Hopefully he'll enjoy that. And here we go. Treasure hunt logo right there. These are all on international packaging. But yeah, I'm lucky I found this. First treasure hunt I've ever found from the first case of the year, and check that out. Metal base on this one, Aerodisc wheels in chrome, nice chrome design, big truck, Raijin Express, really nice artwork on this one. There is the treasure hunt logo, really nice Japanese or Chinese, Asian writing. I think it's probably Japanese. And then we have red body on this one. This is a nice red color. First one that's not chromed out completely. Take a nice look at that. Purple window, that is really cool. There's the back, really nice big truck. All this is plastic, the base is metal, but such a nice treasure hunt for 2023. Here's another old Ford model, Ford Escort RS2000. This is a brand new model for 2023 from Retro Racers. Take a nice look at that. This is in white. And let's get this open and take a nice look. So we have, oh, this feels really well built. Okay. Great spinning wheels on this. There's the classic Ford front, and this is, I think this is an 80s, or did it? No, this is a 1970, right? No, I'm actually not sure what year this is, based off of 70s or 80s, but really nice. And it's definitely an older car because it's from Retro Racers, and I can just tell from the bodywork this is an older car. There's a white dot right there, 2-tone or 3-tone blue striping on that. That's really cool. Take a nice look. Aero discs in the front, 5 spokes in the back. Look at this. Painted details, new 2023 model, super cool. And then there's the hood. I mean the hood. Well, there's the hood. Some stuff there. And then there is the base, very nice design base, white plastic base. This is a nice little model, new for 2023. Another color of the classic TV series Batmobile. There was a super of this. I found so many main lines of this one, but I did not find the super. And it's kind of an ugly super, to be honest. That's not going to pop right. Let's try it from this end. Yeah, they could have picked a better super for this year, for this first case of the year, but anyways, it's a pretty interesting model. Not the best, but it's got some new wheels on it. Open hole 5 spokes, these are called, with an orange lip on that, and then Batman on the side, the Batman logo. Check that out. Gray interior with some orange windows, very cool. This is the Tooned Classics TV series Batmobile. So it's kind of a squished up version of the original 1966 Batmobile. There's a new color of it for 2023. There you are, metallic red. This has been a really hot model, and this is the 1970 Pontiac Firebird, and this won the 2020 Hot Wheels Legends Tour champion. And check that out, Hot Wheels Modified. And this is in a new blue color. I got the white and the red ones. Now I got blue. Alright, let's see if I can pop that like that. And then, really liking this new color of it. Again, with the classic 5-spoke wheels, a black plastic base, exposed engine, chrome interior, metallic pearlescent blue on this one. Number 70 on that, blue and white striping on it. A lot of metal on this casting, on this classic 1970 Firebird. Only found one of these, glad I found it. Gonna be a really popular model. And I think the original white ones were selling for like up to $8 on eBay, so this might be a very valuable piece. Here's another one people are going crazy for, Nissan Patrol Custom from Hot Wheels J Imports. Let's get this open, kind of an ivory color on this one. And off-road Nissan here. This is such a cool model. New model for 2023. And I like the dark chrome interior. Look at that dark chrome. Hill Climb Race Team. And I can't really read. Or you can't talk, rather. And then look at those chrome fenders. That's really cool. Nissan Patrol. And exposed engine. That's really cool. Classic Nissan grille on that. And I don't think I have any Nissan SUVs in my collection, so this is going to be awesome. Has the K&N decals on it. And look at those designs. Check that out. Brand new model, 2022 copyright on the bottom of this one. There's the back there. Really nice new model for 2023. K.I.T.T concept from Hot Wheels Screen Time. This came out last year in 2022. In the same black color, but it was all blacked out. It didn't have the orange lip on it, and I think there are a couple of differences. I haven't opened mine up yet, but I'll have to do a comparison when I get that open. But check this out. Look at these wheels. Wow, that spins really well. Nice light gray plastic base made in Malaysia. All these are made in Malaysia. This must have an orange interior. It's got a little orange on it. The other release doesn't have orange on it, but I only found one of these. This is such a nice little find here. Aerodisc wheels, black body, and check that out. This came out in Hot Wheels Exotics last year. All this top is plastic. This right in here, that black right in here, it's metal. Decent weight to it. Feels very well made. K.I.T.T concept car. Last but definitely not least, the 70s van, also known as the Super Van, one of my personal favorite castings. From Hot Wheels Art Cars, and we see this one in white with a bunch of letters on it. Let's check this out and get it open right away. Classic chrome plastic base, Casting's been out since 1974. They retooled it in 2013. I don't know what they changed. They didn't change much. I think they changed the plastic base in like the 80s or so. There's a letter N right there sticking out. It says Mattel and then Hot Wheels and something that must mean something there. And check that out. Very cool model. Another one to add to my line of super vans. This is really nice. I am really liking this. There must be some kind of must be multiple Easter eggs in these little letters here. It says art cars. No, that just says art. And you can see that if you want. It says wheels on the bottom there. But liking this from Hot Wheels art cars. Never thought I'd see this. This is quite a unique model. And very nice super van. I've always loved this super van casting. Muscle car 5-spoke wheels on this. Very heavy. All that white's metal. Thank you guys for watching. Just opened up some new 2023 Hot Wheels. And which one was your favorite? Oh man, I'd probably have to go with the Nissan. The Nissan is absolutely amazing. Very heavy casting, feels very well made, and it looks great. Which one was your favorite? I wouldn't mind hearing which one was your favorite in the comment section down below. We will see you guys in the next video. Are you excited for the 2023 lineup?